Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. It's March 22, 2025 and just over 10 days ago, Microsoft rolled out the KB5053606 update for Windows 10. A security patch meant to fortify our system slipping into versions 21H2 and 22H2 like a quiet urgent. But for some, it's been more of a mischievous case. Today, let's unravel the technical tangles it caused. Don't worry, I will keep it simple and clear. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, some users are hitting installation failures. Imagine clicking update only to see an error like 0x800 720 pops up or worse. The progress bar just calls for ages. That's likely a file conflict or a timeout in the Windows Update service. Then there is the unexpected installation surprise. Even with automatic updates of KB5053606 sneaks in. It's as if the system is saying, I have got this, but not everyone is thrilled. Once it's on, things get quirky. Missing taskbar icon vanish like ghosts. Those pinned apps you rely on, the start menus still there, but there is a little lonely. Next, desktop resets wipe out your personal touch, wallpaper, icon layouts, all back to factory settings. It's like your PC forgot who you are. And then there is a performance slowdown. The system drags, maybe because background processes are tripping over the new code. Typing might even splutter with keyboard input delays and frustrating lag between your fingers and the screen. For those with printer issues are a headache. Slow jobs, crashes, or the printer spooler throwing tantrums, especially in Citrix setups where virtual desktop meet real-world hardware. And finally, user profile glitches. After a restart, something in your profile, the heart of your settings breaks, leaving apps or preferences in disarray. It's a puzzle, isn't it? Now, why is this happening? It could be corrupted update files. Think of them as scrambled instruction, or maybe a clash with drivers or software like antivirus. In technical terms, the update servicing stack might not be playing nice with the existing components. Microsoft flag printer and Citrix woes already, but the rest, it's a question mark. Still a quite mystery as Windows 10 near its sunset in October 2025. If you are caught in this, here is a lifeline. For install errors, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It's like a detective for update woes tackled in settings. If the updates are and misbehaving, head to update and security, then view update history and uninstall KB5053606. Just know you will trade security patches for stability. Pause updates if you are still clear. It's a little shield for now. And there we have it, a glimpse into KB5053606 bumpy journey. It's a reminder that even the best tech can stumble. Have you felt these ripples? Share your story below. I would love to hear, and your fixes might help someone else. If this shed some light, a like or subscribe would brighten my day. Thank you for being here. You are amazing folks. Until next time, keep exploring and take care.